Welcome to part one of a four-part series covering why you should consider OTC DAIHEN for your advanced welding and robotic systems. This first session will cover 100 years, which is the history of innovation of the company. DAIHEN was founded in 1919 as the Osaka Transformer Company. That's where OTC in our name comes from. DAIHEN is the Japanese abbreviation for Osaka Transformer. So we go by several names. They all really mean the same thing and refer back to our history and our beginnings in Osaka, Japan. Our first product that was produced was pole-mounted transformers. These were very important for the industrialization of Japan and the need to distribute power to the companies that were just beginning the industrial age there. We began producing welding power sources in 1934. We've continued to advance the state-of-the-art there with the inclusion of inverters and our welding pulse technology such as wave pulse, low spatter mode, synchro feed, and with our most latest introduction of the Welby weld processing. DAIHEN Inc. was established as the American subsidiary in 1979. We began producing robots in 1980, and a good example of that is Thor, which you see in the picture on the page, one of our first articulated welding robots. We continued to advance the state-of-the-art of robotics, now in our 9th generation of design. So with a 100-plus year history of delivering innovation in welding and robotics, we're probably most proud of the Deming Award, which we received for our consistent quality and delivering that to our customers. For more about OTC DAIHEN, visit us on the web at www.daihen-usa.com.